Forever tonight is the emotional climax of the album. After pain, separation, reconciliation, this track is the reunion moment, where love is not just restored but celebrated. It's a dance floor anthem with deep emotional payoff. We waited for this moment, now we're here. Forever tonight, it's just you and me, dancing like it's meant to be. Hold me tight, don't let go, let the whole world know. Forever tonight, no more pain. We found love again under the lights we shine. Forever you are mine. I see you smiling like before, standing right at my door. All the distance fades away in this perfect day. Every mistake I made is washed away by the way you look into my eyes. No more goodbyes, the music pulls us in so deep, like a promise we can't keep. Now nothing feels wrong, we've been waiting too long. Let the rhythm take control, heal every broken soul. Tonight we start again, forget where we've been. Forever tonight, it's just you and me, dancing like it's meant to be. Hold me tight, don't let go, let the whole world know. Forever tonight, no more pain. We found love again under the lights we shine. Forever you are mine. We survived the stormy days, found our better ways. Now I know what love can do when it's real and true. Let's forget the past we knew, everything feels brand new. Girl, this moment is divine. You are still mine, I don't need the world outside, as long as you're by my side. This is where we belong, in this love